Alcohol raises cancer risk, but the need for comfort, routine, and connection doesn't disappear. Before we get into substitutes, let's refresh ourselves on alcohol's harmful effects. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that alcohol causes multiple types of cancers. One mechanism is by affecting mucous membranes throughout the body. Secondly, during the metabolism of alcohol, the liver converts it into acetaldehyde. This toxin interferes with DNA synthesis and repair. Thirdly, alcohol interferes with hormone regulation, such as increasing levels of cortisol and estrogen and suppressing testosterone production. Lastly, the ingestion of alcohol leads to oxidative stress in the body, which initiates inflammatory processes. Watch the full video for the mechanistic details of how alcohol causes cancer. What does a better substitute for alcohol really mean? Healthier substitutes should not involve the formation of cancer-causing toxins, an increase in inflammatory markers in the body, or an increase in estrogen production. Substitute number 1 is coconut water. Be sure that it does not contain any added sugars, just one ingredient, 100% coconut water. Substitute number 2 is sparkling water with fruits such as berries and a squeeze of lemon, lime, or orange. Substitute number 3 is freshly squeezed orange juice. No added sugars, no nonsense. Substitute number 4 is tea. This includes black, herbal, and just green teas. Lastly, substitute number 5 is coffee. You can drink your coffee hot or iced, whatever your preference may be. By consuming drinks that do not form toxins in the body, cause inflammation, or raise levels of estrogen, you will dramatically reduce your risk of developing cancers.